Good morning from all American time zones. That was an interesting intro. Here currently, well, back home in Austin it's 10:46, but here it's 9:46. We're still here in Idaho. We're at the Mesa Falls. If you look it up, it's like a big waterfall.
So since it has been a Forest Service visitor center. Your pick, Birdie. It moved. You're so scary.
This place was totally almost destroyed.
Did it just fall into disrepair? Or?
No.
This is a...
We decided to stop at the visitor center that's at this place. It's called Mesa Falls in Idaho. It's pretty cool. There's another bear.
By the way, we've been within 10 feet of one of these.
Yes, we have. Wow, I mean that's just like right there, that's a pretty steep drop. Like it's about that drop right there. Wow, it's incredible. There's gonna be a waterfall that's actually up that way, and like this little trail will take us all the way up there. So we'll see that here in a bit. But dang. Guys, check it out. That is incredible. That is incredible. Oh my goodness. There's a rainbow going across. This is just absolutely like incredible. Wow. What were your opinions?
It's amazing.
I thought that was insane. Dude, yeah. That was insane.
You can still even hear it, even though it's like not even that far.
It's right there, dude. You can hear it from the car, man. Come on. Dude, a log that's floating down this has no clue what its fate is until... Many hours later, it's 10:31. We got back from the Mesa Falls. I didn't really do much recording the rest of the day. It just was consistent of us going fishing. I didn't record that because I wasn't about to, you know, drop my camera in the freaking in the river. Then we came home and I just kind of, I mean, well, we were fishing from about 1 p.m. all the way up to like 6, so 5 hours of fishing. Came back, just was chilling, playing FIFA, eating snacks, hanging around. Josh was watching Netflix. Mom was reading a book. Dad he went back out fishing after dinner. And then we all we got in the hot tub that's outside, and it's dark outside now. Obviously, I mean, I would expect it to be dark at 10:31. Now 10:32 at night. But what's cool is that it's a crystal clear, not a cloud in the sky night outside. And you know, in comparison to back home we have, you know, I'm in Austin, so there can be a lot of light pollution you know, associated with the city, so you're not able to see quite as many stars as you could, you know, in a place that's not really dominated by lights. So here's one of those places. So I'm gonna try and go outside with the family, see what I can see. Hopefully I can get some, you know, some stars to show up on the camera, but if not, oh well. It's been fun, and the night, it just looks amazing. Just know that. There's so many stars out. It's so dark in here. Everyone's outside. Everyone, ow, I just hit myself on the, ow.
Did you figure out how to do ours?